Alrighty guys, we're out here today again. Me and Noah, we had some schoolwork this morning. I think he did pretty good on his. I did pretty good on mine. So, you know, we got to reward ourselves. So we came out, coming out to come fish the river. A little past 12 o'clock, I think. So
yeah, a little late start. Our buddy Trent was here just this morning. He said he went 5 for 7. So,
yeah, he killed him.
Yeah, we're hoping we can get on some. There's no, as you can see, there's no one here for some reason. The water clarity is like perfect, about like 5 foot. So I'm hoping we can at least catch one today. That's always the goal, to catch one.
So let's get on out there, and we'll keep you guys obviously updated if we hit any.
Yep, see you then. Down over there on the float. Let's go see what it is. Probably a lake, I'm guessing, because they're everywhere. Oh yeah, he's got a good one on. Yep. Oh yeah, look at them head chicks. That is crazy. Get on the other side of you. Better lighting, I think.
Finally,
yeah.
hooked up on the first one.
Yeah, it only took 30 minutes.
Pretty quick compared to last time.
Yeah, compared to last time. Yeah,
when we came last time in the morning, I lost that one early, which you guys will probably see, and that was it for like a while, and then it turned on just like right now. And now me and Noah went back to back here in the past probably 10 minutes.
Oh yeah.
And our quest today is to get an absolute giant. That's what we're trying to do.
In the 20-pounder range. Let's see. Oh yeah, he's coming in. Look at that bobber out there. See if we get a look at the fish. Yep, that's a laker. Nice white one. Let me get down there. Oh, he's seen me. I think he's seen me. There we go. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Nice one. Let's have Collin hold him up for you. Alright, guys.
There he is.
Check out Collin's laker right there.
Beautiful fish.
Nice one. Say in the 10-pound range, too.
Yeah. These fish are firing up.
Whoa. There he goes. Nice one. How about that, Collin?
Oh, feels good. Feels good. It only took us 20 minutes, probably 20, 30 minutes.
Yep. Another one about 5 minutes at, not even 5 minutes, I'd say 3 after that one we just seen. He's not giving me a chance to get in the water, man. Come on now. Oh yeah. Look at that rod bend. Get up behind you real quick.
It's almost like back-to-back casts.
Yeah, I was just saying, like 3 minutes.
I didn't think this one was as big at first, but it's staying down pretty good now.
Oh yeah, he's staying down.
Guys, they stay down so
hard.
I'm gonna come down here, I think. Here we go.
Oh, there's one that just jumped out there. I don't know if you've seen that one.
Oh.
Oh, look at those head shakes. That's crazy. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Crank that soldier boy. Whoa. Watch him crank it, watch him, whoa.
Oh, I think it's actually a big one.
Watch Collin crank that soldier boy. Oh, Superman on that bleep. Let's see what it is. Definitely fun. Yeah, it's another laker, for sure. Oh yeah, I think it's my chance to go out and get him. Oh, look at that extension I got right there.
That one's super pretty, super wet.
Oh yeah. Have Collin hold him up for you again. Alright, nice liker for Collin right there.
There he is. Dude, these fish are so thick.
Look
like,
at that.
oh man. fired up too.
That's a nice one. Damn, that was almost back to back.
Yeah.
Crazy. Gotta get some more now. My God, Colin got another one down there. I'm gonna have to maybe steal a spot or something. Gotta go again with the net. This might be a record day right here. Oh yeah, this one looks like a big one. This one looks giant. Oh, look at those head shakes. Is he just peeling? Oh snap, it's gotta be a big one.
Is the drag working?
Huh?
The drag not working.
What do you mean it's not working?
It's not working.
Oh snap, it isn't working. Let's go get him, let's go get him. You crank it up too tight or something?
I didn't do nothing, I loosened it.
Yeah, it was tight. That's why it's not going out.
Oh, it keeps doing that.
Take a look at it. Yeah, it's fighting like a nice one.
But from the second I hooked it, I didn't even see the bottom.
It tightened a little bit. Oh yeah, you got him, you got him, you got him. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Run it down again. Okay. Oh, not yet. You're not ready yet. Yeah, it's a good one. Yes, got him. Right in the corner again. Oh, we got it on my rainbow trout. Sort of imitation jig. Nice, that's a good one too. Pull him up for you. All right, number 3 for Collin right here.
This is my biggest one today.
That's definitely KB right there.
Wish we could weigh it, but we'll just get it back fast. He's so fired up. They've been fired up all day. There you go.
Nice. Fun fact, I credit to 50% of that catch since I set him up with the gear. Now it's my turn. I don't know, man.
I'm killing him.
Yeah, Collin went at least, got for what, 3? And I'd say around 30 minutes.
That was like, okay, from
Maybe
the first one, that
not,
was like
15.
10 minutes. Yeah,
15,
that
that's
was
crazy.
so fast.
Hopefully we don't run out of storage on the GoPro and the phone, so let's keep going.
Let's get him.
Throw the fish on, guys. This one seems a little smaller. Or it just hadn't started fighting yet. Oh! I don't know about this one, guys. It's fighting a little differently. We got him on good though. What is that? What is that?
Oh, is it Noah?
That's a Laker. Oh, his little baby one. Look at him. How cute. Look at that rod bend. Gotta love this fight right here, guys. Unbelievable day we're having. Oh yeah, you getting this rod bend? Look at that. Look at the bobber dance in the water.
See it. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, gotta love the dancing bobbers. It's my favorite part of fishing. Check that out. I thought this was a different fish, but it's just a small Laker. Yeah.
It's good when you can get a person.
Look at him, he's just towing me.
Come on, you said he's a baby. Get him in, get him in.
Come on, guys, let's get him in. Yeah, we would have got him in quicker if you're standing down there. Yeah. Yeah, it's not really a baby. It's smaller than usual, but hey, man, Laker's a Laker. Fish is a fish, man. Let me hold him up. Check this out, guys.
Look at this fish. Number.
Let me hold him up.
What is this, Noah? 5 for us?
Yeah, 5 combined. 2 for me. Hit him right at shore. Whoa. Let me hold him up like that.
Oh, beautiful.
How's that
beautiful
view?
Fish.
That's a good view right there. Oh. Look at the beautiful colors on him. Oh, that's another thing you gotta love about Lakers. When they take off, man. Nice release, good fishing. Let's get some more. Going on for Collin. Let's reel mine in. I just switched up to the spinner. Nothing on that, so I have to go back to the float now. That's what they seem to be hitting all the time. Oh yeah. That looks like a big one.
Dude, I didn't think there was a fish out there.
Oh snap. Keep him away from that ledge. Keep him away from that ledge.
I don't want to walk on
Yeah, just stay right there.
then if you get down there.
Try to keep it up higher. Get the line away from the edge. Yeah, look at that arc. Oh no, oh no. Alright, there you go, there you go. There you go, there you go.
And we should get
Oh, popped off. Dang. Oh well, let's get back out there.
Look at how far that fish was.
Fish on, guys. That was not my fish that jumped right there. Mine's staying under. Oh yeah, he's just hunkering down right now. Just, yep, got one on. Collin's down there. He's about to come net for me. This was the first cast after I retied colors, because I was getting nothing for a while. Oh! And he's off just like that. Dang. Close one, man. That's number 2 for 3. Now let's get back out there. Fish on. Oh, this is a good one, guys. This is a good one. Oh yeah, dude, look at that rod bend. That's insane. Keeping him pinned right there. Oh yeah, where do you think you're going, friend? Yeah, always remember when you're fighting the fish. Fish are friends, not foes. This one feels decent, man. I haven't seen the bobber come up once. There it is. Can't see what it is. Yeah, it's a big one. Now he's ripping me up. Oh yeah, guys. My arm. I can't do it no more. See him? What are you doing? Making the net.
Is it a big one, Noah?
It's a big one. It's a big one. Holy smokes. Ah, gotta keep him pinned over there so we don't go in the current.
Stupid snails. Really that big?
Yeah, it's a big one. It's a real big one. I haven't seen him yet. That's got to tell you something.
See him now.
See it? You see it?
Boom.
Oh, it's just.
No, this is literally the smallest one all day.
Well, get him. Yeah, it is the smallest one of all day.
Huh?
It is the smallest one of all day. The whole day. All right, let me hold him up for you guys. This one, I thought he was big, but
Not a bad one though, still.
definitely not bad. Whoa! Check that guy out.
This
Nice.
is Noah's third.
Number 3.
3 and 3 for both of us.
That's
right
the thing
now.
I love about the Lakers. Their noses. They're just so cool.
He likes
Their
their
mouths.
noses and their mouths.
And they're easier to hold. It's like rubber.
Jump.
They're like rubber. It's not slimy. Let's hold them there.
I will say they definitely are the easiest to hold, Noah, but I don't know about their mouths. They look freaky.
Oh, I love it, man.
Fired up. There he goes.
Nice. Man, gotta love the Lakers. Gotta love them. Let's get some more. All right, now the fish on right here. We're not messing around, guys. This is real fishing right here. Oh shoot. Gotta get them to come this way. Yeah, I noticed that if I hold them just like this, they usually turn towards me and it's not in the treacherous current. Oh, look at that one jump right there. I don't know if you've seen that. Look at this. This is amazing, guys. Oh, geez, what are you doing, Collin? Get down there. Yep. Oh, man. Won't need to hit the gym tonight, that's for sure. If you didn't know, I'm pretty fluent in mixed martial arts, so don't mess with me if you see me down here. Just like these fish, they're scared of me. That's why I can never bring them in very quickly. Once they see the white of my eyes, it's game over for them. They're so scared. There we go. Very nice. Another one bites the dust. Number 4. Let's hold him up for you. Take a look at this guy. This is probably my smallest of the day right here. Let me hold him up for you real quick. There we
Beauty.
go.
Nice colors. Real
Beauty. Yeah, get a close up. Look at them. Look at the patterns on these guys. Crazy. Number 4 for 5. So let's keep going. Collin right there. Set the pin down gently. Oops. Alright, fish on for Collin, man. If he can land it, it's gonna be his 4th one. Let's see what he can do. Oh yeah. Yeah, we are crushing them today. This is going to be a record day.
Yes, it is. Guys doing head shakes like crazy.
Oh yeah.
Feels good to find out.
There's a bobber in the water.
Look at the head shake. Imagine if there's a steelhead.
Yeah, imagine if I was still. Oh, nice one.
I don't like that.
Another Laker. Let's get the net ready. Let's get the net ready. Oh yeah, you got him.
Oh, it's actually nice. He's got a lamprey.
Oh, he's boiling in the water. Got the net ready. Come on, yeah. Oh, he got a nasty, nasty lampreys on him.
I'm waiting for the day when you catch a fish with a lamprey on it.
Yeah, that'll be crazy. Big one jump right there. Here I go, here I go. There we go. Oops. Wronged him in the head, but he's good. Man, check out that nasty mark on him. Ew, that is gross. Let's have Collin hold him up.
All right, guys, just got that one in the net. We're gonna show you the lamprey marks on it. Actually,
Ew.
pretty crazy what those things can do. So we're not even gonna lift this one up. We're just gonna let him go.
Let's see. Come on, net. There he goes.
There he goes.
Number. Wait, we both have 4 now.
Number 4 for both of us. So
Crazy.
let's get some more.
All right, fish on. Another one. There we go. Hit him at the end of the drift again. Seems like the end of the drift for some reason. Yep, Collin got about an hour to fish, so might as well make the most of it, man. And originally I was using, I was using 8-pound test today, and then I switched to 10 because get a little better control over the fish. I thought I was gonna spit the hook right there. Man, don't you love that? I've probably said a million times this video, but look at that bobber dance. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. This might be the biggest of the day. Whew. Come on. Don't play with me now. Don't play with me. Oh, this is epic. Oh, he went on a run right there. Oh snap, he's going on a big run. This is a big one, guys. I'm not lying. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, there we go, there we go. There we go, there we go, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. You see it, bro? That's a... Did you get it? Just grab its tail, just grab its tail. Oh my, bro. You botched this up, man. You done botched this up. I hope everybody's seen that. Rip him in the comments if you made it this far.
Yeah.
Rip him in the comments if... That low key made me mad. Give it a shot.
It's a little slower, maybe.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. Try. You see that big tree right there, and the rock? Go stand under there. That's a good spot. It's like just like this tree right here, like these two that look exactly alike. Yeah, just stand under those, and that's a good spot.
Way up there?
No, no, it's just like 20 yards.
Like right here?
Yeah, right there.
Right here. Right.
Yeah. Fish on, man.
Head shaking.
Yeah, man. I love them head shakes. Oh, that's nice action on that pole right there. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. He's peeling now. He's peeling it. Oh, what the heck just happened? Okay, okay, there you go. There you go. Let me back up and get the net. This could be number 5 for Collin if you land it. If I can net it.
You don't know.
I'm gonna go get him. Let's see. There he is. Oh yeah, come on now. Come on now. I'm ready. Maybe I should go down there. Oh, there he is, man. Oh, he's pumping it up. Jeremy Wade, Jeremy Wade.
Oh, you can see him down there now. Come on, I hate when they do this.
Yeah.
Like, I had him so close the whole time.
It's like, you think they're gonna come in, but nope. They
I
don't.
want to break them.
Epic.
Alright, here he comes now.
Here he comes. Gotta stand still. I got down. Should I pull a Collin? I got him. I got him, guys. Beauty. Root. Let's hold him up. All right, man.
Day
Number
of
5.
the Lakers. Look at that.
Day of the Lakers.
Beautiful fish.
Epic. Number 5 for Con. Number 5 for me.
We have
We've been killing them.
double digits today. This
Double
fish fought
digits.
forever too. There he goes.
There he goes. Look at him. Sweet.
Oh, what in
Oh my God, he's taking you deep, deep. Oh, he's in there deep, man.
there? I can feel it rubbing on something.
That's not good.
Oh.
Oh, man. Popped off.
Oh, wait.
He probably got you stuck on a rock or something.
That thing took me forever.
Yeah.
Real close.
All right. Another fish eye. This bobber went straight down.
Guys, know it's hooked up, but that last fish I just had broke the hook.
Hey, he's using cheap Walmart hooks.
No, not even today.
Cabela's hooks, of course.
You know, I say Cabela's is probably the worst place to get your fish in. They never have nothing.
Yeah, but if Cabela's is watching, they're the best. If they're not watching, they're the worst.
Seems like they're heating up now.
Oh yeah, let's see if Collin can redeem himself from the last net job.
Oh, from the net job?
Yeah, from the last net
You know
job.
what else I need to do myself?
Yes, I do. Oh, gee. I got netted.
You never know.
Nice Laker. Just came up. Just came up. This might be a quite long video. Maybe part 2, question mark.
What'd you say?
This video might have to have a part 2 in it, who knows. Come on now. Number 5, number 5. Come on now. Sweet talk fish. Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy. Oh, God, watch out, bro. Look at this. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, he's doing the barrel roll. Yeah, you got it. You got it. Number 5. Let's go. Let's hold him up. All right, guys. Let's get a close up of this. Came on one of my homemade jigs. This is what they've all been coming on today. Soon to be available in the near future. If I can get it out of him.
Might have to
Give me
use
the pliers. Right over there.
I could do everything for Noah. I got it.
Man, he wasn't going nowhere. All right, guys. He's almost ready to go. Let's hold on for you. Nice one right there. Beauty. Fired up, man. Number 5. This is by far my best Laker day so far. It's the most I ever caught out here. That was 5 for 8 right there. So let's get a couple more before the sun goes down. All right, guys, another fish on right here. That one didn't even take the bobber down. I reeled it in and got the fish. We did take it down very subtly. Oh. Maybe we can get this one in quick. Probably not. So we get back out there quick because we gotta leave pretty soon. Collin guys to go to the girlfriend's house to do who knows what. Nah, it's just eat dinner. What? Dude, this one looks weird. It's like dark. Man, this is an epic day. Gotta love it. If you don't like the long video, then leave. No, I was kidding. Whoa. Man, he's just digging and digging. Nice. Dude, this one's dark. And dude, this one's a weird one. I gotta show them to you guys. Alright guys, check this one out. Look at it. He's got no fins.
Might have been a stock.
And I don't know. Look at his fins, bro. And look how dark he is on the bottom. Let's get a good shot of him.
Or maybe it's from spawning year after year. He just got nipped
Dude,
up.
yeah, look, he's got nubs for fins. I don't know what's wrong with him, but I'll take you any day of the week.
Super fired up.
Crazy. 6 for 9 right there. Let's go. It's number 6. The upfish Trent. Cal's got to land this one. Oh snap! We gotta put the pin down.
Right, it's literally right there.
Oops. Ah, there we go. Got 35% on the battery.
Double up with the guys next to us.
Oh yeah, the Jersey boys. Oh yeah, man. Putting the smack down on him. He's just digging. Oh yeah, he's
guys,
digging.
I swear. You can hook them as far out as you want. And you can get them about right to this distance. And then they just don't come in anymore.
Yep, don't come in.
They stay right there.
Hunker down. Them Lakers, man. You always know it's a Laker. Alright, my GoPro just died right there, so we're on Collin's phone right now. Very nice. Oh, look at that head shake. Barbara's right out there.
Oh, man.
Oh, 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 oh.
I know, go get him. Go get him, Noah. Go get him,
God. Don't know how well I filmed that, but we got him.
Look at the colors on that one. Huge. That fish is gorgeous.
Yeah, it's a nice one. Let's have Collin hold him up for you. All right, man. Close up.
This is probably the most beautiful Laker
Whoa!
I've caught yet. He's super fired up. There he goes.
Sweet. Hey, both caught 6 today, man.
6 and 6.
See if we get one in the last 20 minutes we have.
Yes, sir.
Fish on. Fish on, man. Yeah, try and double up. Another Laker, of course. Can't go wrong with them, though. Oh, yeah. Come on, lucky number 7. Lucky number 7. Man, if we didn't go, if we got here a little earlier, I think we've had a double-digit day. This is crazy. Oh snap! Just keep running back and forth, back and forth. Man. Oh man. Come on, let's get him in. Enough of this. Enough is enough already, I told him. Whoa. Snap. Uh-oh. Don't you go down there. Don't you go down there, you son of a gun. Don't you even think about it. Huh?
Nice.
It's not no monster, but it's a fish.
They've been mad at me ever since I lost that phone, so I'm gonna have to do a good job.
There he is.
See that? That was good.
Nice. Sweet. Let me hold him up for you guys.
Guys, here's Noah's fish. Probably our last for the day.
Whoa. Oh, snap.
Beautiful, perfect condition. Fish is in perfect condition.
Nice one right there. About 20 minutes from sunset. Yep. Most likely the last one, but let's send him off. Nice release.